In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your fuel filter on your Ford Expedition. It's located on your fuel tank. Remove your fuse box cover by pushing in this tab. Now we're going to use some needle nose pliers and we're going to pull out this relay. This is for the fuel pump. After you take out the relay, you're going to crank the engine to relieve the pressure in the system. Remove your negative battery terminal using an 8mm wrench. Remove it, set it aside. Open your gas door and take off your cap. Remove your lock and slide it away. And now you're going to use a fuel line tool to disconnect the line. You're going to want one that has a really round opening here, not the oval one. You're going to slide it in, push it. After you've released it, you're going to pull the line off. First thing you're going to do is release this clip on both lines. Push that out. You can pull it from the other end. And then you're going to pull off your line. Our top one looks like it's missing, so we're just going to pull that off and either find a replacement or use a zip tie to hold it on. Once both lines are off, in the back and in the front, you can remove your fuel filter. To install, you're just going to slide it over this bracket. There's a slot here for the one line. And there's a slot on the other side. You're going to put your back line on first, just slightly smaller. Put this one on. Now I'm going to put my lock on it. I'm going to put the lock on the top one so I can reach the bottom one with the zip tie. Now that your lock is on the back one, or the top one, I'll push this one back on and put our replacement on here. Now we're going to connect our fuel line. I'm going to push it in. Make sure it clicks. After you've connected it, you're going to bring your lock back down. And just make sure it's locked in. You're going to push that up. Like that, and lock it in place. Put your negative battery terminal on, push down, and tighten it up. Make sure it's tight. Give it a wiggle, see if it moves. If it doesn't, you're all set. Now we're under the hood again at our fuse box. You're going to put your relay back in. It's the one 4 over. And there was a space in between ours. Push it in, connect your negative battery terminal, then get in your vehicle. You're going to cycle the key off and on a few times and start the truck. Make sure it clicks in. Now you can put your cap back on and shut the door.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.